Imagine waking up one morning to find your bank account has grown significantly overnight. It sounds like a dream, but for many smart investors, this dream is a reality. They've discovered the secret to building wealth quickly, investing in appreciating assets. Appreciating assets are things that increase in value over time. Unlike money in a savings account, which grows slowly with low interest, these assets can skyrocket in worth, bringing substantial returns. In just 2 years, they can make a big difference in your financial situation. In this video, we will explore 7 appreciating assets that have the potential to make you rich within 2 years. Each of these has unique advantages and can provide impressive returns if you invest wisely. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner, understanding these assets can help you make informed decisions and set you on the path to financial success. Ready to discover how to grow your wealth? Let's dive in. Number 1. Real estate. Real estate is one of the most popular ways to build wealth. When you invest in property, you're buying something that usually increases in value over time. This makes real estate a smart choice for anyone looking to grow their money quickly. Take residential properties, for example. Homes in good neighborhoods often appreciate in value as the area develops and demand rises. Commercial properties, like office buildings and retail spaces, can also provide high returns, especially if they're in prime locations. To succeed in real estate, start by researching the market. Look for areas with strong growth potential, such as places with new businesses or schools. Consider the condition of the property and any upcoming developments in the area. Also, think about your financing options. Getting a good mortgage rate can save you money. Investing in real estate takes time and effort, but the rewards can be significant. With the right approach, you can watch your property's value and your wealth grow rapidly. Number 2. Stocks. Investing in stocks is a great way to grow your wealth. When you buy stocks, you're buying a small part of a company. If the company does well, the value of your shares goes up and you can make a profit. The stock market has a history of providing good returns over time. For example, the S&P 500, which includes 500 of the largest companies in the US, has an average annual return of about 10%. This means that, on average, your money could double in around 7 years. To get started with stocks, you need to open a brokerage account. This is where you can buy and sell stocks. Research different companies and industries to find those with good growth potential. It's also wise to diversify, meaning you should spread your money across different stocks to reduce risk. Investing in stocks can be exciting and profitable. With careful research and a bit of patience, you can see your money grow significantly in a short period. Number 3. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are digital money that can offer huge returns. They are becoming more popular as people look for new ways to invest. Bitcoin and Ethereum are 2 of the most well-known cryptocurrencies, and their values have increased a lot over the past few years. Cryptocurrencies work on technology called blockchain, which makes transactions secure and transparent. Because they are not controlled by any government or company, their prices can go up quickly as more people use and invest in them. To start investing in cryptocurrencies, you need to open an account on a crypto exchange like Coinbase or Binance. Here, you can buy, sell, and store your digital money. It's important to do your research and stay updated with market trends since cryptocurrency prices can be very volatile. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be risky, but the rewards can be great. With careful planning and a keen eye on the market, you could see significant returns in a short time. Number 4. Fine art. Investing in fine art can be a profitable way to grow your wealth. Paintings, sculptures, and other artworks by famous artists often increase in value over time. Art is unique because it combines beauty with investment potential. Fine art has a history of appreciating in value. For example, a painting by Pablo Picasso bought for $100,000 several years ago might be worth millions today. Art collectors and investors buy and sell art at auctions and galleries, and the best pieces can fetch very high prices. To start investing in fine art, you need to do some research. Visit art galleries and auctions to learn about different artists and their works. Look for pieces by artists who have the potential to become more popular and valuable. It's also helpful to consult with art experts who can guide you in making smart choices. While investing in fine art can be exciting and rewarding, it's important to buy pieces you genuinely like. This way, even if the value doesn't increase as expected, you still have something beautiful to enjoy. Number 5. Rare collectibles. Rare collectibles, like vintage cars, watches, and comic books, can be excellent investments. These items often grow in value because they are unique and in limited supply. Collectors are willing to pay high prices for rare and well-preserved pieces. Collectibles have shown impressive appreciation rates. For example, a classic car bought for $20,000 a few years ago might now be worth $60,000 or more. The same goes for rare comic books and luxury watches. To start investing in rare collectibles, first, identify what interests you. Whether it's vintage cars, rare watches, or comic books, choose something you're passionate about. Next, research the market to understand what makes certain items valuable. Look for collectibles in good condition and verify their authenticity. Attend auctions, visit specialty stores, and join collector groups to find potential investments. Investing in rare collectibles can be fun and rewarding. With the right knowledge and a keen eye for valuable items, you can build a collection that appreciates significantly over time, boosting your wealth in the process. Number 6. Precious metals. Precious metals, like gold and silver, are reliable investments that can grow in value. These metals have been valuable for thousands of years and are considered safe haven assets, meaning they retain value even in tough economic times. Gold and silver prices often rise when the economy is uncertain. For example, during economic downturns or inflation, people buy precious metals to protect their money. Over the past few years, gold and silver have seen steady appreciation, making them smart investments. To start investing in precious metals, you can buy physical bullion like gold bars or silver coins from reputable dealers. Another option is to invest in exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that track the price of gold and silver. It's important to store physical metals securely, either in a safe at home or a bank's safety deposit box. Investing in precious metals can be a stable and profitable way to grow your wealth. By understanding market trends and choosing the right investment method, you can benefit from the increasing value of these timeless assets. Number 7. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer, P2P, lending is a modern way to earn money by lending directly to individuals or small businesses through online platforms. These platforms connect lenders and borrowers, allowing you to earn interest on the money you lend. P2P lending can offer high returns compared to traditional savings accounts. For example, some P2P platforms provide average annual returns of 5% to 12%. This makes it an attractive option for investors looking to grow their money quickly. To get started with P2P lending, you need to sign up on a reliable P2P lending platform, such as Lending Club or Prosper. These platforms let you review potential borrowers' profiles, including their credit scores and loan purposes. By diversifying your investments across multiple loans, you can reduce the risk of loss. Investing in P2P lending requires some research and careful selection of borrowers, but it can be a rewarding way to increase your wealth. With the right approach, you can earn steady returns and help others achieve their financial goals. Investing in appreciating assets is a powerful way to build your wealth quickly. By choosing the right investments, you can see significant returns in just a couple of years. By carefully selecting and managing these appreciating assets, you can set yourself on a path to financial success. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.